Here is the introduction. Welcome to this module on Advanced JavaScript where we'll be diving into the concept of lexical scope. Lexical scope is a fundamental understanding how JavaScript works under the hood. By end of this lesson, you'll have solid grasp of what lexical scope is and how it affects your code. What is lexical scope? Lexical scope, also known as static scope, is a way of resolving variable access in the nested function. In JavaScript, the location where a function is defined determines its scope. This means that the scope of function is fixed when it is created and does not change when the function is executed. Example. Let's look at an example to understand this better. Consider the following code. Here, in this example, inner function here is defined inside the outer function. This means inner function has the access to the variables in its own scope, as well as the scope of outer function. Therefore, it can access outer variable here. The scope chain. The concept of lexical scope gives rise to the scope chain. The scope chain is the list of objects that JavaScript search to find a value of variable. When a function is executed, a new scope is created and added to the top of the scope chain. If a variable is not found in the current scope, JavaScript moves down the chain until it finds the variable of each to the global scope. Closure and lexical scope. Closure are powerful features in JavaScript that rely on lexical scope. A closure is created when a function retains access to its lexical scope, even when the function is executed outside the scope. Here, in the example, the inner function returned by makeCounter retains the access to the counter variable here and create a closure. Practical use cases. Understanding the lexical scope of closure can help to solve various problems in JavaScript, such as data privacy. Closure can be used to create a private variable. Function factories. Function that return other function can utilize closure to maintain state. Event handler. Closure help in maintaining the state of variable is asynchronous code. Common pitfalls. While working with lexical scope and closure, you might encounter some common pitfalls. Accidental global variables. Always declare variable with let, cons, or var to avoid polluting the global scope. Memory leaks. Closure can sometimes lead to memory leaks if not used carefully, especially in long-running applications. Incorrect scope binding. Be cautious with loops and asynchronous code, as they can often lead to unexpected scope binding. Summary and question and answer. To summarize, lexical scope is the static scope determined by the location of variable and function declaration. It is crucial understanding variable access and function execution in JavaScript. We've also seen how Closure leverages lexical scope to maintain state across function calls. And thank you for joining this lesson on lexical scope. Do you have any question? Just write in the comments section. And that's all. Thank you.